Embarking on a climbing journey transcends the mere scaling of heights. It's a fusion of physical prowess, mental agility, and sheer determination. As climbers navigate vertical terrains, the synergy between technique, endurance, and strength becomes evident. Strength, particularly, stands as a cornerstone in this dynamic pursuit, underpinning the ability to conquer challenging routes and elevate one's climbing performance to new heights. This article serves as a comprehensive guide for those venturing into the realm of strength training for climbing. While the allure of scaling rock faces is captivating, the incorporation of a structured strength training regimen amplifies one's capabilities, enabling climbers to overcome obstacles and achieve their climbing aspirations with finesse. Understanding the pivotal role of strength in climbing, this guide demystifies the essential principles of strength training tailored specifically for climbers. It navigates through the basics of exercise selection, workout structuring, and progression, aiming to equip beginners with the tools to augment their climbing abilities through targeted strength development. Emphasizing the fusion of strength training with climbing practice, this guide aims to empower enthusiasts, offering insights and strategies to embark on a transformative journey towards enhanced climbing strength and performance. Understanding the basics. To embark on an effective strength training regimen for climbing, understanding the fundamental principles and movements inherent to climbing-specific strength is paramount. Climbing demands a unique set of muscle groups and movement patterns, making a nuanced comprehension of these elements crucial. Climbing-specific muscles encompass a wide array of areas, prominently emphasizing upper body strength, particularly in the forearms, back, shoulders, and arms. The core muscles play a pivotal role in stabilizing movements and maintaining balance on the wall. Additionally, lower body strength and flexibility are essential for efficient footwork and stability while climbing. Incorporating strength training principles that align with climbing movements is essential. Climbers benefit from exercises focusing on dynamic, functional movements that mirror the actions required during climbing, such as pulling, pushing, and maintaining body tension. Understanding these principles helps in selecting exercises that replicate climbing-specific movements and mimic the demands encountered on the wall. Dispelling common misconceptions about strength training for climbers, this section aims to elucidate the correlation between specific muscle groups, movements, and the foundational principles of strength training, setting the stage for a purposeful and targeted approach to climbing-specific strength development. Designing a strength training plan. Crafting an effective strength training plan for climbing necessitates a personalized approach, considering individual fitness levels, goals, and climbing aspirations. Assessing one's current fitness status and defining clear objectives become the cornerstone of this process. Start by evaluating personal strengths and weaknesses in climbing-related muscle groups. This assessment helps identify areas requiring improvement and guides the selection of exercises for targeted development. Establishing realistic and specific goals ensures the training plan aligns with desired outcomes, whether it's improving endurance on longer routes, enhancing grip strength, or focusing on bouldering prowess. Select exercises tailored to address climbing-specific muscles and movements. Incorporate a mix of compound exercises targeting multiple muscle groups simultaneously, along with isolation exercises fine-tuning specific climbing-related muscles. Structuring workouts to include both strength-building and endurance-enhancing exercises contributes to a well-rounded training regimen. Consider the frequency and intensity of training sessions, ensuring a balance between stimulating muscle growth and allowing sufficient recovery. Gradually increase the intensity and complexity of exercises to challenge the body progressively, aiming for consistent improvement while preventing overexertion or injury. By customizing the strength training plan to individual needs and climbing objectives, climbers can lay a solid foundation for targeted muscle development, setting the stage for enhanced climbing performance and skill advancement. Essential strength training exercises. Delving into the realm of climbing-specific strength training requires a repertoire of exercises targeting key muscle groups instrumental in climbing performance. Focusing on exercises that replicate climbing movements and fortify essential muscle groups amplifies the effectiveness of strength training. Upper body strength forms the crux of climbing, emphasizing exercises such as pull-ups, chin-ups, and variations like wide grip or commando pull-ups to fortify back, shoulder, and arm muscles. Additionally, incorporating dead hangs, fingerboard workouts, and wrist curls cultivates robust grip strength essential for clinging to holds. Core strengthening exercises are pivotal for stability and balance during climbs. Engaging in planks, Russian twists, and leg raises fortifies core muscles, facilitating controlled movements and weight distribution while climbing. Complementing climbing-specific muscles, Lower body exercises play a crucial role. Squats, lunges, and calf raises bolster lower body strength, enhancing stability and power for efficient footwork and pushing movements during climbs. Selecting exercises that align with climbing demands and progressively increasing their intensity ensures a comprehensive strengthening regimen. By focusing on these essential exercises, climbers lay the groundwork for targeted muscle development, fostering a robust physique conducive to conquering challenging climbs with finesse. Integrating strength training with climbing practice, seamlessly intertwining strength training sessions with climbing practice is key to optimizing performance and skill enhancement. Balancing these two facets involves strategic planning and synchronization to reap maximum benefits while avoiding overtraining or exhaustion. Allocate specific days for strength training and climbing sessions, allowing adequate recovery time in between to prevent muscle fatigue and optimize performance. Integrating climbing-specific strength exercises into warm-up routines or cool-down sessions complements climbing practice, consolidating muscle development and climbing skills simultaneously. Tailor workouts to align with the demands of bouldering, sport climbing, or traditional climbing styles, focusing on exercises that reinforce the specific movements and muscle groups required for each style. Mindful scheduling helps prevent burnout while facilitating targeted muscle development. Periodic adjustments in training intensity and volume accommodate fluctuations in climbing frequency or season, ensuring a harmonious balance between strength training and climbing practice. By intertwining strength training sessions thoughtfully with climbing practice, climbers capitalize on the synergistic effects, fostering enhanced climbing-specific strength, technique refinement, and overall skill advancement while minimizing the risk of overexertion or imbalance. Progression and adaptation. Progressive adaptation lies at the core of effective strength training for climbing. Continual progression ensures sustained improvement while guarding against plateaus and potential overuse injuries. Understanding the nuances of progression and adaptation allows climbers to refine their training approach for optimal results. Tracking progress forms the foundation of advancement. Monitor strength gains, climbing performance, and endurance levels regularly. This assessment aids in identifying areas of improvement and informs adjustments to the training plan. Gradual intensity increases are pivotal for stimulating muscle growth and skill enhancement. Incrementally challenge the body by augmenting repetitions, sets, or resistance levels in exercises. This progressive overload triggers adaptation, promoting muscle strength and endurance development. Strategize periodic changes in the training regimen to prevent stagnation. Implement variations in exercises. Introduce new challenges, or alter workout structures to keep the body responsive to training stimuli. This dynamic approach fosters continuous improvement and prevents the body from adapting to a fixed routine. Cautiously navigate the thin line between progress and overtraining. Listen to the body's cues and allow sufficient recovery between sessions. Prioritize rest, adequate nutrition, and sleep to facilitate muscle repair and growth. Preventing overuse injuries is paramount. Pay attention to any signs of strain or discomfort, and adjust training intensity or incorporate active rest periods accordingly. This proactive approach safeguards against setbacks and supports long-term progress. By meticulously overseeing progression, adapting training stimuli, and prioritizing recovery, climbers pave the way for sustained development in strength and climbing performance. This iterative process cultivates a robust foundation, fostering continual improvement and resilience in tackling climbing challenges. Nutrition and recovery. Nutrition and recovery play pivotal roles in optimizing the benefits of strength training for climbing. Adequate nutrition fuels muscle growth and repair, while effective recovery strategies facilitate recuperation, enabling climbers to push their limits and progress effectively. A balanced diet rich in protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats supports muscle recovery and growth. Lean proteins aid in muscle repair, while carbohydrates provide essential energy for both strength training sessions and climbing endeavors. Healthy fats contribute to overall health and energy utilization. Prioritize post-workout nutrition to kickstart recovery. Consuming a protein-rich snack or meal within the post-training window aids in muscle repair and replenishes glycogen stores, expediting recovery. Hydration remains crucial. Adequate water intake aids in muscle function and recovery. Recovery techniques such as stretching, foam rolling, and adequate sleep are integral components of a comprehensive regimen. Stretching enhances flexibility, reduces muscle tension, and mitigates the risk of injury, while foam rolling aids in muscle recovery and alleviates soreness. Quality sleep is vital for muscle repair and overall well-being, allowing the body to regenerate and adapt to training stress. By emphasizing proper nutrition and integrating effective recovery strategies into their routine, climbers enhance their body's resilience, support muscle growth, and optimize performance. Balancing these elements ensures a holistic approach to strength training, facilitating consistent progress and minimizing the risk of fatigue or injury. Beyond the basics, advanced techniques and tips, transitioning beyond fundamental strength training, introduces climbers to advanced techniques and supplementary strategies that further elevate their climbing prowess. Implementing these advanced methods bolsters climbing-specific strength and enhances overall performance. Periodization emerges as a strategic approach for structured training, cycling through periods of varied intensity, volume, and focus within training phases helps prevent stagnation and optimizes peak performance during specific climbing seasons or events. Tailoring workouts to specific goals within these periods maximizes training effectiveness. Cross-training amplifies overall fitness and mitigates climbing-related imbalances. Incorporating activities such as yoga, Pilates, or even cardio workouts complements climbing, fortifying muscle groups, improving flexibility, and enhancing endurance. Mental preparation becomes crucial for climbing success. Visualization techniques, mindfulness practices, and mental conditioning drills cultivate focus, resilience, and confidence. Building mental fortitude is as integral as physical strength in conquering challenging climbs. Employing supplementary exercises like antagonist muscle workouts or finger strength-specific drills provides a well-rounded training approach. Strengthening opposing muscle groups and honing finger strength contributes to balanced muscle development and injury prevention. By delving into these advanced techniques and adopting supplementary strategies, climbers diversify their training, fostering a holistic approach to strength development and climbing skill enhancement. These methods amplify the synergy between physical prowess and mental resilience, empowering climbers to surpass limitations and achieve new heights in their climbing endeavors. Conclusion: embarking on a journey to harness climbing-specific strength through structured training unfolds a transformative process that extends beyond physical prowess. Throughout this comprehensive guide, climbers have explored the intricacies of strength training, understanding its role in elevating climbing performance. By comprehending climbing-specific muscles, designing tailored training plans, and integrating strength workouts with climbing practice, climbers establish a robust foundation for skill enhancement. Essential exercises targeting upper body, core, and lower body strength serve as building blocks for climbing-specific muscle development. Progression and adaptation stand as guiding principles, ensuring continual growth while preventing stagnation or injury. Strategically navigating nutrition, recovery, and advanced techniques amplifies the efficacy of training, fostering a holistic approach to climbing strength development. The journey towards climbing prowess is as much mental as it is physical. Incorporating mental preparation, visualization techniques, and advanced strategies cultivates resilience, focus, and confidence, essential elements in conquering challenging climbs. As climbers navigate this multifaceted terrain of strength training for climbing, this guide aims to empower them with knowledge and strategies to advance their climbing journey. Embracing this holistic approach to strength development, climbers embark on a transformative expedition, scaling new heights and unlocking the full potential of their climbing prowess.